Today I want to talk about a great game dev channel. I already have it open here. It's called Unity3D College. I like this channel because the author likes to talk about design patterns and certain coding principles, which I don't think enough Unity users talk about. It's worthwhile for you to check out the videos here before you start your project, because if you don't have any knowledge about design patterns, you're going to run into a situation where later in development, your project is going to be so messy, you're going to be unable to manage it. One video I found really interesting was a factory pattern. Let me get my MS Paint. I found it interesting because it's similar to what I'm doing in my project right now. He has an ability factory, and this class has all abilities, the definitions, that share the same abstract class called ability. And there are things like heal, fire, damage, and so on. And whenever you want to be able to use one of these abilities, you get the class and run it. So whenever you have players that share a similar behavior, you can choose and pick whatever abilities that you already wrote here. One big difference in my project is that I don't have an ability factory. Instead, for me, each object is a scriptable object. Things like move, attack, jump, and so on. And in the editor, I simply drag in a specific ability that I want for a specific animation. Could be run, attack, slide, or whatever. And it's not just this one video. He has a lot more that are well worth your time. So please go there and check out the videos, especially the ones where he talks about basic ideas and principles. And I hope you have fun. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.